fight you.
Come on in, you guys.
That's Mr. Anthony. Go see Mr. Anthony. Okay. Oh, wow.
Coming down today. My name is Pallini. You guys can call me Tony. Okay? I've been with the fire department for quite a while. And today I guess we just have to take a look around and let it do all the stuff. Okay? We put this one inside just to keep it warm, to keep you guys warm. If there's any questions you guys have, you can ask. Okay? Yeah? How big of a fire truck? Well, it's this big. This thing is about 37 feet long.
Huge.
That one is. Those other ones are approximately about 33 feet long. Yes. Some companies do have yellow trucks. We actually bought a yellow truck from France. So yes, some places out there for color. We actually have a yellow fire truck. Yes. Well, that could have been ours. We used to be crazy. That's a nice truck. And some people have blue fireworks too. Well, it's a big planet truck. Yep. For Pallini. Yeah. It was here. You see it when it was here? It was a pink one, kind of like this truck, but it was an older one, and it was all pink. What's that? Did you? We'll let you guys sit in them if you'd like. Does he? Alright, you want to take a look inside? Sure. They're all kind of big. This is some equipment that we have. That's a medical bag. There's the medical bag. We have related equipment. Yeah, quite a bit of a pool. Then we have the inside here. Yeah, this is kind of the stuff around here. It's up to you guys. Hats and some pencils if you like.
Yeah, because we came here to give them something. What did we bring for Mr. Anthony, girls, that we collected for him?
Really? Very nice. Great.
I'll give you that. I'll give you that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, great.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, great. Okay. A lot of people that don't have them now, you can come to the fire station and pick them up. I'm sure they'll be very grateful that you guys did this. How long did it take you guys? 2 weeks. 2 weeks?
And that's 23. And would you like to know the reason why we have been called CDs?
Why?
Because some people have Christmas trees in their house.
Yeah?
And if the electrical wires for the lights on them get stuck in the water, and they burn and cause a fire, and if you don't have a smoke alarm, well,
You know the rest of the story.
Oh.
Very good. Well,
Wow.
thank you very much. And let me give you guys some hats and some pencils. Okay, how about some hats?
So cute. That was so nice.
Ooh, you snapped yourself.
You're welcome.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Everybody have a hat?
Wow.
Thank you very much for the smoke detector. And thank you very much. And make guys stay safe this winter, okay? Be careful, especially if you're using any kind of heating appliances in your home. Please keep it 3 feet away from it and burn. You might get burned, okay? Alright, you guys stay safe and have a real nice Christmas. Alright, we'll see you next year. Sure.
Oh, I know definitely, because we gotta come, my little girls have to come back here for a tour for their bats.